The form tag genuinely wraps a real group of inputs, submitting their actual collected data to a real destination. In this video you'll build one real, complete form. Action genuinely specifies where the real form data is sent. Method genuinely specifies how. Post here, sending data in the actual request body. The real name attribute genuinely becomes the actual key for this field's value when the form data is submitted. This real submit button genuinely triggers the actual form submission to the URL specified in action. Form tag genuinely wraps a group of real inputs. Each real input's name attribute genuinely becomes its data key on submission. A real submit button genuinely triggers the actual form submission. Build a real complete form with 3 fields and a submit button. Ready to let users genuinely pick from a real drop-down list?